This error message appeared on a second-generation Renault Megane after the steering rack was repaired. We're currently going for a wheel alignment. The steering wheel, as we can see, isn't centered when driving straight, which is why this error message is on. We'll check before and after the alignment to see how it's fixed. We did the alignment, and while driving straight, the steering wheel is straight. The check engine light is gone. Sometimes this error doesn't go away after the alignment, so you need to take it to an electrician. It could be a loose connector or broken contact. In our case, the error was that the steering wheel wasn't centered when driving straight, which is why there was an error message. Now there's no error message. I'm happy and satisfied. That's it, the car is fully functional, and the ESP works perfectly. There was a video. If you're interested, like it and subscribe to our channel. We hope you don't have a problem with a nail or rod on your road.